Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here at the farmer's market and we're gonna go check out the Kombucha Festival. Let's go inside. Oh, it's that wonderful time of year, time for the harvest, and look at all this good stuff. Fabulous. Yummy zucchini. So here inside the Kombucha Festival, unfortunately it's really loud, I hope you guys can hear me, but it's really awesome. You get this little cup and you get to test all the kombuchas that these vendors are making. It's really amazing, lots of fresh ingredients. So what is kombucha? Kombucha is a fermented tea, and it's fermented using something called a SCOBY, which is a mixture of bacteria and yeast in a biofilm. And so it's called a SCOBY, and that mixed with various different fruits and spices and tea create a fabulous, healthy drink. So there's lots of different variations on it, and I'm really interested in getting involved in making kombucha. This one right here is a lemon cayenne kombucha, so really spicy, nice and lemony. Let's give it a try. Ooh, that's good. Nice kick of the cayenne at the end, and I believe it's made with green tea as well. The folks that made this one is called Greenhouse, and they have lots of different flavors out there. I tried another one. It was amazing, made with juniper berries and with balsam fir. So, you know, you can use your imagination. Kombucha can be all different kinds of flavors. Some of you guys may have heard of Loon Kombucha here in Canada. So here they are, they've got a booth here. There's their website, and they've got a really fun setup here with those little mini carboys and sampler. I kind of wouldn't mind one of those little jugs for my mini fermentations myself. Alright, so I'm trying Loon Kombucha. They have one right here that's kind of like a nice purple color. Really smooth and sweet. What's different about Loon is that they use cold press. They cold press their kombucha, so it has a really smooth flavor. It doesn't have that acidic hit at the end, so it's really, really tasty. So many different flavors here, it's really amazing. So here at the event they are selling kombucha kits, and I'll probably buy one. You can see the ingredients there. So you have your SCOBY, you have your sugar, and your tea. So kind of like how I ferment my wild berries and things like that, we're going to be fermenting the tea part of it. So of course you need your yeast and your bacteria, something to feed them, and something to add the flavor and ferment. So that is the tea. They're also selling flavor boosters here as well. So pretty exciting. I'm going to be heading back to pick up one of these kits after. And there's what a starter looks like. It is the SCOBY, the symbiotic culture of yeast and bacteria. It looks kind of gross, but that's what makes the kombucha and makes it taste so good.
White, green, black.
We're an organic tea company. We have organic teas.
So since I'm getting into kombucha, I want to try to get the best teas for my booch. So I just talked to that booth just behind me, and they make and import ingredients from all over the world to make these fabulous teas. So I picked out a tea that I want to try. It's a smoked black tea. It is amazing. I'm pretty excited to start working with it. I'm going to buy my kombucha kit over there with the smoked black tea, and man, it's going to be amazing. I'm pretty excited. Getting lots of ideas here. So Gutsy uses medicinal plants in their kombucha. That's what ones they have. They're out of Quebec. The one here that has skullcap in it, and it is really effervescent, slightly tangy, really good. Brings to a good point. Kombucha is excellent for gut health. You really want to increase your gut microbiome. Your gut biome basically helps your whole body and your health, even your mental health. Honestly, anxiety and stress and depression has been tied in part to just disturbances in your gut biome. So the more you can repopulate with the good bugs, the better. So I say drink up. So I'm trying the Strawberry-Basil by Flirt. It is a flavor that they made up specifically for Booch Fest today. Ooh, that's good. I love exploring different flavors. A little bit, definitely really basil-y, not as sweet as one would think for a Strawberry-Basil kombucha. Oh, nice and refreshing though. It is really hot. Today, you know, we're in the 30s, it's hot outside, nothing better than cooling down with a glass of booch. Well, sorry guys, that was a little bit loud in there for recording, but I wanted to give you guys the full experience of the Kombucha Festival. It's lots of fun. Man, it's just really awakened me to all the possibilities of wild fermentation. You know, you guys know I make wine and beer and other fermented sodas. Now I'm delving into the booch. Yeah, going to the dark side. So pretty successful trip for me. I just want to show you what I got. By far, one of my favorite booches at the show today was by Quetzal Kombucha, and it had the juniper berries and the balsam fir. You know, definitely a booch after my own heart. You know, I love harvesting wild stuff, and yeah, gonna make that into a lovely tea. This is fabulous. So I got 2 growlers full, and I'll definitely be able to recycle these growlers, so that's pretty exciting. Got 2 of these, and I also picked up some of my favorite booch by Artesian Kombucha in Perth, the raspberry hibiscus, and also managed to pick up some tart cherries. That's really awesome. Of course, when you're making booch, you gotta have a good quality tea, and this is Shanty Teas based out of Ottawa, and this is their burnt tea, and oh man, this is good. I wish you could smell this. This tea is basically dried over a nice fire, so it smells so smoky, like I can literally smell it through this container, and it creates a really interesting flavored kombucha, so I'm really excited. Definitely gonna have that wilderness flavor to it. I can't wait to try it. And of course, you need a booch kit, complete with a SCOBY and just some starter items, which I probably won't use, but they wouldn't sell me the SCOBY separately, and it's a great deal actually to get the full kit with all the instructions so I don't mess it up for my first time. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. I had lots of ideas, even for my other wild fermentations, getting ideas of flavors from a lot of these different vendors. It's really nice it's just local as well. So there's so many great flavors out there. Lots of resources in the community for learning about wild fermentation, and now I've got lots of great places to check out and try their booch. Pretty excited. Thanks guys so much for tuning in today. Learning a little bit more about kombucha and the Booch Fest. Have a great week as always. Take care.